Hi viewers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share a unique lunchbox recipe, Chow sadam. To prepare this recipe, first take a pan, add 10 ml of oil. On top of it, add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Sort them until they turn into golden brown color. Today I'm preparing for a quantity of 2 members. You can increase or decrease the quantities based on your requirements. Now take a blender jar, add half spoon of fennel seeds, half a spoon of cumin seeds and half a spoon of pepper. Also add half a spoon of coriander seeds. Next we need to add 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Add 20 grams of fresh coconut. Adding coconut gives a unique flavor to the recipe. Add half a spoon of red chili powder and half a spoon of salt. Add required water and blend it into a fine paste. Now on top of sorted onions, add half cup of finely chopped chow. Cook them until they become soft. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to cook well. Close the lid and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the chow is cooked well, we need to add the prepared paste. Add the mixture on top of cooked chow and saute for a minute. Now cook for 2 minutes and stir well. You can have this for dosa and chapathi as well. To prepare sadam, we need to add steamed rice. Today I have taken half a cup of steamed rice and adding into the mixture. Give a nice mix. If you require, you can add ghee. Adding ghee is optional. Now transfer the sadam to a serving bowl. That's it. Very simple, delicious. Chow sadam is ready. You can pack it for your lunchbox as well. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give a like and share to your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get to know many interesting recipes. I have shared many interesting recipes in this channel. I will provide all the recipe links series wise in the description box below. Please do check on the same. Let me meet you again in my upcoming interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.